Jai Radha Madhu friends. Friends, it's 1st February and budget session day today, and we are quite enjoying and Nifty blessing us. The call that has been suggested by me in recent video is running double of its purchasing price, more than double. Uh, we have purchased it at 35 or 40 range, and it's running in 81, 82. So enjoy that call, and we can adjust slightly that put should be withdrawn, put should be squared off, and we will re-enter in the same put at 3:20 p.m. means 10 minutes before uh, the closing of this session today. So we can keep shielded, and we can keep our that leg very safe, and we will save by this strategy 5 10 rupees up from the put, and call is the blasting. And friends, my each and every video contains disclaimer. Disclaimer is the same. uh, Before investing and trading, you should consult your financial advisor. Trading and investing subject to market risk. It's risky. It is required quite expertise, and this is a purely educational knowledge and awareness purpose channel, uh, so that the person regarding this channel is not responsible for your profit and as well as losses. Thank you. Jai Radha Madhu, Jai Almighty Sri Krishna, Jai Hanumanta. Thank you.